Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to perform factory reset in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on the settings. Now friends, you have to tap on search and here you have to write reset here. Reset all settings, click on erase all data, and you will see here it is the factory reset, means erase all data from your phone including your Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, videos, other user data including your SD card. If you have SD card, you have to remove it first. So if you not do this, it will remove it from everything from your SD card. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.